Alright, this is Liberty stock number 38604, which is a Microcut Challenger model LT-52, 2-axis CNC lathe, 2-inch bar capacity, 18-inch maximum cutting length, 5,000 RPM maximum spindle speed, Vanek OI controller with chip conveyor, and flip pedal controlling for chuck actuation.
Yeah, something, yeah, I guess so, right. We've got chuck open close on the foot pedals right here, and the other one's for quill. So for the open close is for quill in, quill out, and this is chuck. And we can do that right now. I mean, we're on it, so.
Well, we'll get one.
There it is. So, yeah, we got just a closed up look. I mean, you know, I keep wanting to swing this out, but this is fixed. So I thought it needs to be on a swivel, but it's not. Yeah, side here. You see some of the side. Right here for the chucking, open and close. There's our plugins for the foot pedals. Shot for the cord. We're temped in right now on the floor, coming in at 220. Got the whole back end. It's pretty clean back here. We got the cover off. It's sitting off to the side. This whole thing gets covered. The back end looks fairly clean. Hydraulics are running right now. I just got to put the cover back on. We use that just to check for voltage, get the right voltage. And I guess that's a high pressure pump back down there. I'm pretty sure. High pressure coolant. And we can see this through the door on the other side here. See the gauges, chucking. I haven't touched any of them. They're all set pretty well. Chucking gauge, hydraulic, and tailstock are all three of those. And down below is, of course, our oiler. Conveyor. And up front, the control, and of course, the MPG is on there. And like I started to see a minute ago, if you want to see it, just here's chuck open. I think you can see it. They don't move much, but you can see them and hear them.
Hit it again.
I am. If you come around the other side here, we can bring the quill out right away and show that. That just keeps on going. If you hit the other one, I'll let it come out a little bit, but if you hit the other one, just scoots right back in. Good with that?
Yeah.
So that all works. And in jog mode, jog. We can jog. Where are we at here? I'm not very familiar with the control, but we can do a few things there. There's jog, fine feed. We got two different coarse and fine on here on the jog. So we're moving now. I can get it up to 140, 150. That's just bringing Z across. It's a nice sharp screen. It's clear. You can read it. Looks pretty good. You bring X down a little bit. Do I have room? Let me see. Yeah. Let's get it over a little bit more. But that's slow. Anyhow, here's rapid. Makes a big difference. And X. I'm not sure how far I can go at the kind of. I don't want to over travel it. I just did over travel. So it's a soft over travel. It lets me get back in the game right away. Reset. Yeah, I'm not sure how far I can go. So that all works good. While I'm in jog, I'll leave it right there. Turret index, I know about half of the buttons really, so that's forward. Here's reverse. And just moving down the line, there's conveyor on. You can hear it. That works good. This is all for cycling. We're not going to touch that. I had something, let me back up on the axis a little bit here. And just turn the spindle on in jog. I think I had it at chuck unclamp. I left the chuck in the wrong position. Hang on. I think we need to do something there. See if I've got anything here. No. And what am I in? I'm in jog. Jog. We want spindle on. I was going to go to MDI anyhow. Let me just put something in MDI and program something in here. A couple thousand. MDI. Yeah. What was the top end on this, Pete? Speed. I'll put a couple thousand in here, and we can do the
Yeah,
over.
5,000 RPM.
5,000, right. I haven't really warmed it up. Let me put 2,500 in here and input that somewhere. This one's, I don't know this one. Input? No, it's not input. It's insert. Let's try that. There it is. In MDI. Let's run that down. Let's dial it down first at 60%. Let's try that. Yep. There's 2,500 at 60%. Of 2,500, I should say. 70. Sounds nice. I was looking for actual on there. It's got to be here somewhere. Like I said, I just don't know the control that well. 90% of 2,500, and there's 2,500. Go a little bit higher. Like I said, that's about as high as I want to go without, because I haven't really warmed it up. It's kind of cold. But we do a start-stop now, and cut that off, go over the jog here or something, and there we go. Should be able to start it up from here now. Yep. Go a little bit higher. Put it down. Try reverse. Heel looks good too. Gets up there, steps right back down. One more time forward. So yeah, that's the bare bones right there in MDI. If we go to jog, I can just send it all back, or just jump right into, I suppose, whatever program we've got set up on there. Let me see. Which is just a long longitudinal, but we've already, let's see, we've done Z, we've done X, we've done spindle, chuck open. Really, it's just left, all that's left is to run a program, any program. This one takes about a 20-inch cut on the shaft, it looks like. We're ready to go now. In memory, we should be good to go. Let's try, rapid feed is at 50, feed speed as 100%, and let's go. I think it's a 1,200 RPM in this program. I thought I seen it here somewhere, so it's up there. Yep. Goes back, starts the program. And you can see it moving on position screen here. And it just takes a while. I'm going to jack it all the way up on the feet because I know it's a long cut. It goes all the way to, where does it go to? Let me see. I forget, 344, I think, minus 344 or 360. And again, there's the program. We're in the second page of it already. Minus 360, there it is. Yep. That's where we're headed to. And there's position. It's all absolute. So we get to 360, they'll back up and just send it all the way home. So I'm gonna put it at 100%. Let's see how it goes back. Full out. We haven't tried that yet. Put them up on 360, and that'll be it. Try another one?
Same thing?
Yeah, same thing. That's all I've got in here right now,
Yeah.
without going through all the programs. So that's full speed, 100%. So that's good. That's at, like I said, about 1,200. I think it's 1,200 RPM. I still don't see it on here. I'm missing it, but I think it was at 1,200. Pretty smooth. It all looks and sounds good, though. Yeah, we can cut out right there if we want to. It's not a big deal. And the only other thing is, pulse generator. So for what it's worth, yeah, you can get on this too. I think there it is there. 100% on X. Yeah, that all works. That's the last item. And Z. You can barely read it. Z. It looks like Z. There we go. Yep. It all works good. 10%, 1%, I should say multiplier of 1. Works good up there, so.
All right.
Yeah, that's it. And yeah, it's a good running machine. Not a problem.